Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Analytics for certification badge for LinkedIn. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Google Analytics for certification badge for LinkedIn, begin by navigating to the Google Analytics Academy website. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, locate the completion certificate for Google Analytics 4. Download the certificate to your device. Next, head over to your LinkedIn profile. Click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Select View Profile from the drop-down menu. On your profile page, click on the Add Profile section button. Choose Licenses and Certifications from the drop-down. In the Add License or Certification form, fill out the necessary fields. For the certification name, input Google Analytics for certification. In the Issuing Organization field, enter Google. Set the time period for your certification by selecting the date you obtained it. If applicable, check the box for "This credential does not expire." Now, upload the downloaded certificate file under the attached certificate. Confirm your entries by clicking Save. Your Google Analytics for certification badge is now added to your LinkedIn profile. Review your profile to ensure the badge appears correctly. Consider sharing this achievement to network with others in your field. Congratulations on enhancing your LinkedIn profile with your new certification badge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.